Hey everyone, this is Audi Q3. There is a maintenance, range. You can see that inspection light and oil light pop on sometimes. To reset the oil light, you come on over here, menu, and you press the vehicle, setting and service. You're gonna scroll down, you got it over here, service interval. Using this, you can only reset the oil change, not the inspection. See, every time you reset this, you can see the number, this increase, not this one. So the only way to reset, let's say, I will show you right here. Let's click reset. See the number first, 0909, 8,700 miles. Let's see. Yes, reset now. The oil change interval has been reset. That one didn't change. It was range. I reset it already using a big scanner, the OBD scanner. So there is no way, even no Frankenstein over here, as far as I know, even this only can reset the oil change light, not the inspection light. That's, it says over here, inspection do. You can't see it right now because I already reset it. So this is for only the oil change. This is Q3. The setup is different. You can access. Normally it should have better than most Audis and Volkswagen, but and this time this is 2021 Q3, made in Hungary. So I use a scanner to reset it. I hope it help you or save you time to figure out. So anyway, you can go, any person who had a big scanner tool can reset the inspection light because it required a special application. That's it. Thank you.